Hello, lovely friends. I am going to teach you the first part of our Cruella DeVille tap routine. So this is our beginner tap, and I'm going to face away from you so it's like you're standing behind me learning it. And I'm just going to show you the feet so that you can practice the feet motions whether you're doing it in a chair or standing up. And if I mess up, I'm sorry. I'm going to try and just do this in one go so we can have fun together. So be prepared to laugh. I'll go through the steps slowly, and then I'll go through the whole routine slowly, and then I'm going to do it with music so we can party and you can just go where you need to go while you're practicing. So yay. And this is what I look like without a mask. Okay, so we are going to start. You get 4 prep counts before we start the song, and you're going to start with 8 sassy steps. Now, sassy steps can be done however you need them to be done. Whether you're sitting in a chair just kind of tapping away, or you're walking, you can do them flat-footed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or if you want to be really sassy, on your toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or if you want to be even more sassy, you can cross them like a model. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? However you want to do them. You get 8 sassy walks, maybe flat-footed. You know, do your thing. So after that, we're going to do what's called a jazz square with a ball change, right? So ball change is just a ball change, ball change, ball change, left, right, or right, left, ball change, ball change, ball change, ball change, right, left, ball change. And a jazz square that comes before that, you're going to cross your right foot in front of your left. You're going to replace your left foot back. Then you're going to replace your right foot forward. And now this is where we add our ball change. Left, right. We're going to cross our left foot in front of our right. Boom. Replace our right foot back. Replace left foot forward. Right foot ball change. Bum, bum. We're going to do that again. Cross our right. Replace back left. Step on right. Ball change. Cross over left. Replace back. Step forward. Ball change. But slowly with the rhythm, it's going to be like this in the song. Cruella DeVille, bum, bum. Cruella DeVille, bum, bum. If she doesn't scare you, no evil thing will, bum, bum. Right? So we've got this kind of cool jazzy jazz square. So let's go from the beginning to that point. 8 sassy walks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross. Bum, ba dum, bum, 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 da dum, da da dum. Right change. Cross right, left, right, bum, ba dum, bum. Ball change. You get my fun calls. So we had 4 of those, and now we're going to do a step shuffle to a jazz rhythm. So we're going to step left, shuffle right, step right, shuffle left. But it's going to have a jazzy rhythm. Bum, bum, ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. So that's what we got. Step left, shuffle right, shuffle left. And now we're going to go up on our left toe for a really slow cramp roll. So we're working those ankles. Up, left, up, right, down, right. So we have step on our left shuffle. Left, shuffle. Right, shuffle. Up, left, up, right. Heel, heel. And now we're going to do some syncopated cramp rolls on our right foot to Cruella, Cruella. Right? So up, right, up, left, down, left, up, right, up, left, down, left. Cross your right foot over, spin, push finish a round, right? So let's go from the beginning to that point with our 4 beginning counts and then 8 sassy walks. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, get ready, jazz square cross, ball change, cross left, ball change, cross right, ball change, cross left, get ready, ball change, left, shuffle, right, shuffle, up right, down right, up right, cross, and turn. So that is the beginning, and now we get to do this like little sassy step, sort of. We have a lot of sass in this song, but we're gonna step right, left, right, tap our toe to the side, and then left, right, left, tap our toe to the side. I think the words are the curl of her lips, bum, the blink of her stare, bum, you innocent children. So now we're doing right step, left toe tap, left step, right toe tap, right step, left toe tap, right step, left toe tap. You innocent children had better beware. So we have 4 of those. So let's go back to after our little turn, where we go step right, step right, left tap, step left, right tap, step right, left tap, step left, right tap, step right, left tap, step left, right tap. Whew, that's a lot of words in my mouth. Then we're going to take our right foot forward, and we're going to do that slow pivot around. So now you're facing forward, right? And you're going to do this cool pattern of, if I can remember the words, innocent children had better be well. She's like a spider waiting for the kill. So it's going to be toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel. Ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. Right, so you were facing back, you step your right foot forward, you pivot slowly, and then you go right heel, left heel, right heel. But I will do it mirror to you so that you're actually doing the right thing. So you do your pivot and turn. So it's going to kind of look like pivot and turn to you, and then right toe, heel, left toe, heel, ba-da. And then you're going to step forward with your left foot and do another slow pivot back to the back. So it kind of looks like that now. And then I think we just do a step, shimmy, kick, step, shimmy, kick. So let me go through the whole song, or no, just that second part. I'm going to go through just that second part where I do, we're right after where we cross and turn around, and we're going right step, right step, tap. Okay? So we're going to start with the right. Right step, right step, tap. Left step, right step, tap. Right step, tap, left step, tap. Right step, tap. Left step, tap. Right foot forward, pivot slowly, ba-da, ba-da, ba-da. Left foot forward, pivot slowly, step, kick, step, kick. Woo! So now I'm going to go all the way back to the beginning of the song and go through it slowly. So So we have our 1, 2, 3, 4, and our sassy walks. So 8 sassy walks. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cruella Devil, Cruella Devil. If she doesn't scare you, no evil thing will. She da 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 chill. Cruella, Cruella Devil. The curl of her lips, the ice in her stare. The innocent children had better beware. She's like a spider waiting for the kill. Cruella, Cruella Devil. Hey! I didn't call out the steps, but I was trying to do it with the song slowly. So now I'm trying to do it slowly, calling out the steps. Maybe I should have flipped that, but it's okay. You guys were doing great at our practices. Okay, so we're going to start with on our right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Jazz square, cross right, left, right, ball change, left, ball change, right, ball change, left, ball change, left shuffle, right shuffle, up, left, up, right, down, right, up, right, left, down, right, up, right, left, down, right. Cross and spin. Now step right, step right, tap left, step right, step left, tap right, step right, tap left, tap, step right, tap, step left, tap, right, forward, pivot slowly, right, step left, forward, pivot slowly, left, kick right, kick left. Hey! Okay, so now I'm going to do it with the music for a little bit. I'll do it with the music twice. Whew! And I'll try and make my feet as sassy as possible for you. Get ready, because it's going to play fast. Okay, maybe that was a little too fast. I'll hold my phone in my hands. Maybe. I don't know if that'll play loud enough. Ah! 1, 2, ready, go. Left, right, left, cross right, left, ball change, right, ball change, right, ball change, left, shuffle, right, shuffle, up, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, cross. Left, pivot, left, kick, right, kick. Sorry, I liked really stepping instead of doing my step, tap. So I will redo that. But that's okay, we're having fun anyway. So I'm gonna do it one more time with the music and I will get it right this time. Right? Okay. How was that? If you need to, go back and go through the video as much as you need, or if you have questions, let me know. Yeah, and I'll make a video of part 2 for you.